Changshu Power Clean Company Limited is a globally renowned manufacturer with many years of experience, specializing in high-performance microfiber cleaning products for commercial and household use. Located in Changshu City, Jiangsu Province, our facility is strategically situated near major transportation hubs like the Port of Shanghai and Shanghai Hongqiao Airport, ensuring fast and cost-effective logistics for international clients. Our expertise in microfiber technology allows us to produce a wide range of cleaning solutions, including cloths, towels, mitts, sponges, mops, and dusters. These products are designed for superior absorbency, durability, and lint-free performance, and are available in various sizes, densities, and vibrant colors to meet diverse market needs across hospitality, healthcare, automotive, and home care sectors. Our 13,400 square meter state-of-the-art manufacturing plant employs over 130 skilled workers and is equipped with advanced machinery such as seam cutting, strip opening, ultrasonic edge sealing, and automatic edge locking machines. This ensures precision and efficiency in production. Quality and sustainability are central to our operations. Every product undergoes strict quality inspections to meet international standards, including ISO 9001 for quality management and BSCI for ethical labor practices. Our microfiber materials are eco-friendly, reusable, and highly effective, reducing waste and chemical usage compared to traditional cleaning tools. With competitive pricing, superior quality, and a reliable supply chain, we export to nearly 70 countries, including the US, Russia, Australia, Japan, and Germany. If your business aligns with ours, we warmly invite you to visit our facility and explore potential collaboration. Let's build a successful partnership together.